Ever wonder why some guys instantly command respect while others get overlooked? The truth is, women pick up on subtle signals that reveal a man's confidence or lack of it, and most men don't even realize they're making these mistakes. In today's video, we're breaking down 6 subtle ways men unknowingly show weakness to women, and how to fix them fast. If you want to be more attractive, respected, and in control, you need to watch this. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring you the best dating and relationship advice. Now let's get started. Number 1, you always want to have control. Let's get one thing straight. Control does not equal loyalty in a relationship. No matter how dominant or alpha you try to be, no matter how much you flex your masculinity, it won't make her stay. If anything, trying to control a woman actually pushes her away. Here's why. Control is a sign of insecurity, not strength. When you try to dictate what she wears, who she talks to, or how she lives her life, you're not showing confidence. You're revealing fear. And women are hardwired to pick up on that. A truly high-value man doesn't rely on control. He commands respect effortlessly through self-assurance, emotional maturity, and unwavering confidence. The more secure you are in yourself, the more naturally she'll feel drawn to you, and the less likely she'll be to stray. Instead of control, focus on building deep attraction, trust, and emotional connection. That's the foundation of real loyalty. What's your take? Have you ever seen a guy lose a woman because he was too controlling? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Number 2, you always want intimacy. If you're constantly craving intimacy, it sends one clear message: you can't control your desires. And guess what? Women pick up on that instantly. The harsh truth about attraction. Women aren't always as sweet and innocent as you might think when it comes to dating and relationships. Some won't hesitate to exploit weaknesses. If a woman senses that you're desperate for intimacy, she gains all the power in the relationship. Here's how it plays out. She withholds what you desire to get what she wants. She rewards you with intimacy when you comply. You become trapped in a cycle where your desires control you, instead of the other way around. Don't fall into the trap. If you let your cravings control your decisions, you'll never be in charge of your dating life. Women respect men who have options, confidence, and self-control, not men who will do anything for intimacy. Break free from the cycle. Focus on your purpose. Build your confidence, and never let intimacy be your weakness. When you stop chasing, women will naturally be drawn to you. Want to learn more about high-value dating strategies? Drop a comment and let's talk. Number 3, you share your struggles with her. A common mistake men make in dating is assuming that because women are emotional, they are also deeply empathetic to men's struggles. The hard truth: women are emotional beings, but that doesn't mean they are wired to feel sympathy or attraction toward a man who unloads his personal problems. When you open up too much about your struggles, whether it's financial stress, career setbacks, or emotional hardships, you risk coming across as weak rather than strong and dependable. In the world of attraction, confidence, and leadership are what create desire. Unfortunately, vulnerability in the wrong context can kill romantic interest fast. Instead of seeking emotional support from the woman you're dating, focus on being her rock, not the one leaning on her for support. If you need to vent, talk to male friends, mentors, or a coach who understands the challenges men face. The sooner you grasp this reality of male-female dynamics, the more success you'll have in relationships. Want to build unshakable confidence and attract women effortlessly? Start by mastering emotional control and positioning yourself as the kind of man women respect and desire. Number 4, you flaunt your wealth. When it comes to dating and relationships, confidence and authenticity are key. Yet many men make the mistake of flaunting their wealth, thinking it will impress women. The truth? Flashing your money, expensive cars, or designer clothes often does the exact opposite. It signals insecurity, not confidence. Why flashing your wealth backfires in dating. If you're truly successful and happy with your lifestyle, yet you won't feel the need to constantly prove it to others. A man who is comfortable in his success doesn't seek validation through material possessions. Instead, he lets his character, ambition, and values speak for themselves. Women are naturally drawn to confidence, emotional security, and a strong sense of purpose, not just a flashy lifestyle. When you lead with your wealth, it can make you seem like you're compensating for a lack of personality, emotional depth, or even true self-worth. What women really want in a high-value man? While financial stability is attractive, what matters most in dating and relationships is how you carry yourself. A high-value man doesn't need to show off. His success is evident in how he lives, his mindset, and the way he treats others. Instead of trying to impress with material things, focus on being confident in who you are, not what you own. Demonstrating ambition, leadership, and emotional intelligence, showing generosity and kindness without expecting admiration in return. If you truly enjoy the life you've built, you won't feel the need to broadcast it. Real confidence comes from within, not from showing off a luxury watch or an expensive car. Want to attract high-quality women? Work on your mindset, emotional intelligence, and the way you present yourself, not just your bank account. What do you think? Have you ever encountered someone who flaunted their wealth in dating? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Number 5, you say negative things about yourself. A lot of guys think that making fun of themselves will make them more relatable, charming, or funny in the early stages of dating. While lighthearted humor can work, constantly putting yourself down, even as a joke, can seriously backfire. Sure, she might laugh in the moment, but deep down, it sends a clear message. You don't respect yourself. And if you don't respect yourself, how can you expect her to respect you? Women are naturally drawn to confidence, self-assurance, and high-value men. Not guys who downplay their worth with negative self-talk. If you joke about being unlucky in love, bad with women, or not good enough, she won't see it as humility. She'll take it as a reflection of your true self-esteem. Own your value. Instead of making jokes at your own expense, focus on positive, confident humor. Tease her playfully, share interesting stories, and show that you're comfortable in your own skin. Attraction grows when she sees you as a man who believes in himself. If you wouldn't say it about your best friend, don't say it about yourself. High-value men project self-respect, and that's what truly makes women want to be around you. Number 6, you're not showing her enough affection. A strong, confident man doesn't need to be cold or distant to maintain his masculine frame. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes men make in relationships is withholding affection, thinking it makes them appear more dominant or in control. Here's the truth. Women crave emotional connection and validation. If you're too closed off, she'll start feeling neglected, and that's when she might begin looking elsewhere for that warmth and attention. That doesn't mean you should pedestalize her or make her the center of your universe. A high-value man knows how to balance affection with self-respect. Show her love and appreciation, but never at the cost of your purpose, standards, or boundaries. And let's be real. Just because you're showing her affection doesn't mean she can't cheat on you or take advantage of you. Stay aware, keep your frame strong, and make sure she's putting in effort too. A relationship is a two-way street. Now that you know the 6 subtle ways men unknowingly show weakness, it's time to start making changes. Remember, attraction isn't just about looks or money. It's about how you carry yourself, how you handle challenges, and the energy you project. Women are naturally drawn to men who embody confidence, emotional strength, and self-respect. But if you're making these subconscious mistakes, you might be killing attraction without even realizing it. The good news? Awareness is power. By eliminating weak habits and replacing them with strong, confident behaviors, you'll instantly become more attractive, respected, and desirable. Which of these 6 weaknesses do you think is the most common? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-value dating advice, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, stay confident, stay strong, and keep leveling up.